Hey guys, it's Victor, and today I'm going to be showing you the best, easiest, and quickest way to get animated emojis without Discord Nitro and without having to pay any money for it. Now, the way we're going to be doing this is we're going to be using a bot called Not Quite Nitro. So what you're going to want to do is go onto Google and search up Not Quite Nitro. And it's going to be the top link, NQN Discord bots. Once you're in here, you want to click Invite and add it to the server you want it on. What this is going to allow you to do is use these animated emojis on any server that you want, that you have manager permissions on, as you cannot add the bot to any server except the one you manage. So then it's added, continue to Discord, and my Discord opened up right here. I want to click no thanks, then you're going to want to go to your server with the Not Quite Nitro bot. Now in here, it will automatically send a tutorial message for anyone in here, and you just have to find whichever channel that's in. This went to my bot channel, and what you're going to want to do is do !pack search, and you'll get a little notification right here, and it will show you a pack of emojis, and you can react with an arrow to scroll to a different pack, or you can click the plus sign to add that pack emojis to your server. I don't want those. I'm just going to click again, and let's say I don't want those either. I'll just go again, and right here, oh, these are some cool animated ones. So you want to add these to your server, add the plus, and let's say we want to do this emoji right here. You just copy it from this list right here, paste it into your chat, give it a second, and you get an animated emoji without Discord Nitro. Now if this worked for you and it helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.